Why is shorebird identification confusing in different seasons? Imagine trying to identify a bird that changes its look with every season. That's what makes shorebird identification such a puzzle for bird watchers. These birds are part of the bird families like sandpipers, plovers, and godwits, and they look very different at different times of the year. Most shorebirds have at least two main plumage types. During the breeding season, they wear bright, colorful feathers to attract mates. These are called breeding or alternate plumage. When the breeding season ends, they molt into duller, more camouflaged feathers called non-breeding or basic plumage. Juvenile birds also have their own unique feather patterns that differ from adults. Spring is a busy time for shorebirds. They arrive from long migrations and often look very different from how they appeared in the fall. During this time, many are transitioning from their dull non-breeding feathers to their bright breeding plumage. This means a bird might look completely different depending on when you see it. Some shorebirds are in worn, faded breeding plumage, while others are just starting to show their bright colors. In fall, many birds are molting again. Some are losing their bright feathers, while others are just arriving from migration and still have their juvenile or breeding plumage. This constant changing makes it tricky to match a bird to a specific species, especially since many shorebirds look similar in color and size. Size and shape differences can also be subtle. For example, a sandpiper's bill length or leg color can help tell species apart, but these features are often hard to see unless you observe closely. Many shorebirds have similar shades of brown and gray, especially outside the breeding season, making them look almost identical. Feather wear adds another layer of confusion, as older feathers fade and fray, while new feathers are darker and sharper. Vocalizations and behavior can help, but they requiring familiarity and patience. The time of year and location also matter because different species migrate through different areas at different times. Some shorebirds only appear during specific months, so knowing their migration patterns helps narrow down what you might see. From the bird's point of view, these seasonal changes serve important roles like hiding from predators or showing off during mating season. But for bird watchers, these same changes turn identification into a moving target. Learning key features like size, shape, and behavior, along with plumage, makes it easier to recognize shorebirds throughout the year. Spending time observing at different seasons and locations is the best way to get better at telling these birds apart.